Good afternoon, guys. Today I'm going to be working on an LG V20. We're going to replace the LCD. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to eject the back cover. As you can see here, back cover is removed. Remove the battery from the unit. SD card. SIM card, if I can get it out. Removed. Let me get my Phillips 00 screwdriver here so we can take this apart. So the first thing we're going to do is remove all the screws in the back assembly. Any screw you see, just take it out because they all need to be removed. A nice long process, but it won't be that long. I'm gonna try and see if I can video all of my technology repairs here. By the way, my name is Steve from Supamodz Tech. I have a repair store in New York, and this is what we do all day, try and fix stuff. If you would like to have your device fixed, feel free to mail it in to us. We're not criminals. We have a 5-star rating. We try to take care of our customers. If we can't fix your problem, we really don't take your money. We just give it back. My motto is, if we can't make the customer happy, then it's hard for me to take any money from you. So that means if I can't solve your problem, I will not take any of your money. And this is just how we operate here. So there's a whole bunch of screws back here. So I'm just taking my time, jibber jabbing them out, taking them all out at the same time. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of screws on the table now. There's quite a few more to come. It's not easy being a tech. Takes a lot of skill and knowledge. It's more than just pulling out screws. I think I got like one more screw left. Don't worry, I'll save you the pain. So first thing we're going to do now is we've got to take this top piece off. This is that one came off pretty easy. So you remove that. Have another one at the bottom. This one's always, got one screw left. See? There's one screw hiding. That one's out now. It should come off easier now. Here we go. That's now off. Now we shall remove the clips. I'll get my trusty little pry tool here. Go. So removing the clips. This one side off. Comes from this side. That one's off. Shield off, held on by some clips, speaker assembly off. Now we have the motherboard exposed. The new LCD usually comes as one complete unit, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the motherboard out, I should say. I'm stuck in Apple world, about to say logic board. So start. It's pretty much held and connected down here. Gotta remove this connector here. Start by taking this one out. That's the LCD. And it pretty much doesn't have any screws. It's just pretty much clipped in. And that's it. Okay guys, now we have transferred all the parts over to the new LCD. What we're going to do is now we're going to put it back together and get it going again. So I have the new LCD here, what we're going to use. So I'm going to take the logic board, or the motherboard I should say. I don't know why I keep using Apple terms and I'm not working on an Apple device. So we're going to install back the motherboard. Make sure you connect your LCD connector back. It's pretty straightforward. Take your assembly here, back cover assembly with the power button. Make sure your camera's in place because that'll stop it from sitting properly. So I'll line this up. Okay, there we go. So that's in place. Make sure everything is connected. Okay. Put this other piece back in. Start putting a million screws back. It's a whole bunch of screws, so we gotta make sure all of them go back properly. I always start out around the inside from the middle because you don't want to put it at the edge yet because you gotta clip on back the bottom assembly in the top. Alright, so we got our last screw in. I'm going to take the imei sticker off and put it back because you don't want any issues if, God forbid, they need the imei number off the phone. You want to make sure they have access to that information. So what we'll do is we'll stick that back on there. Go. Doesn't matter if it's lean, who cares? Put the SIM card back in. Put the SD card back in. Battery. Recover. And we have a phone that's turning on. And there we go. It's booting up nicely. pin number or their passcode, but seems to be working. There we go. So pretty much that's it. So as you can see, the LG V20 screen repair is very simple. It's not too hard. All you have to do is remove the screws, remove the two ends, and basically motherboard comes out, and that's it. Very quick, very easy to do. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned something, and see you next time. Thank you.